Okay, let's go. Okay, good morning, everyone. So welcome back to our e-learning class again, right? So today we're going to talk about our grammar zone to continue our previous lesson from yesterday. So what did you study yesterday, everyone? Yesterday is Saturday, today is Sunday. So we're going to study and practice with our new lesson. Sorry, with our previous lesson, right? This is the review the previous lesson that you have already studied on last week. This is some vocab, but teacher not read and not explain about this because we have already explained about yesterday. So move to this point, teacher had to review. Yesterday we studied about lesson 19, yes, no question, right? Hello, Lija. Hello,
Yes, teacher.
Hello, Sarai. Hello, Sing Hao.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is some vocab that teacher have teach all of you yesterday about lesson 19. You see? Okay. Lesson 19 yesterday we talk about yes, no question. But how many tense that we use in the yes, no question yesterday? There are two 10. What are they? So let's see. But before you understand more about grammar, teacher want you to review the vocab first. So how many vocab yesterday did you study? Hello? Sing Hao and that's my because yesterday only two of them. Hello, Sing Hao and that's my.
Yes, sir.
How many vocab? Okay, don't waste our review lesson time. So we have to explain directly subject. Yesterday you have studied about subject, mình have about verb, kể giả sắp, question, như tụi bụng sầm núa, either mình hai chụp rừng mình đo được pi you have to choose because mình have bị proof rồi còn đòi xa tái auxiliary verb kể giả sắp, language, phía giá, course, một cái chia, museum, sạm một tí, đừng có certificates nhà bạc. Okay, teacher xong video phần nắng và sau vocab dương vì miền phần nắng đái. Okay, chăng today we're going to review a little bit about the yesterday lesson that we talk about yes no question. What does mean yes no question? Chăng yes no question mà sao mình cho bạn điền hai giấy lực nông bì bỏ tiếng và tay chưa xong lập tình. How do we form to the yes no question? Yes no question it have a lot of form, but in our lesson today we focus only two form: simple past and past simple past and past simple. There are two form, only two form, right? How do we form the simple past and past simple? Present simple or simple present. You look at the first point together. Here are some yes no question. This is a general yes no question. Like, are you hungry? Yeah. Shall I answer the phone? Did you enjoy the film? We call them yes no question because the answer is either yes or no. Either nó mới tha chơi vào vô mình thấy. Either there are two choice. Cứ mean to break be. There are two choice. You can choose which one. Okay. Then yes, I am. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Number two, look at number two together. Number two, we form the yes no question like this. Nè, tụi rung form bỏ yes no question kỳ thư đừng chẳng. Chẳng là ní kế đã yes no question form ní kỳ pra tụi rung verb to be. Tụi rung verb to be nó cứ chia tụi rung nó không present simple đi. Nè. Thầy ở that's mấy, xin hảo. This is the form in the present simple or simple present. Right? because to be is a verb. To be is a verb. Subject plus verb plus objective. You see? Like subject plus verb plus objective. This is the form of simple present. And to be is a verb. Verb to be, right? So that is we use like this. Are they busy? Is he ready? Was she here? Yeah. The first point in the second point. And the second point in the second part is, or we put the auxiliary verbs. What is auxiliary verb? Kiriya subject. We got special verb. This is we call special verb. We call helping verb. Like be, have, will, shall, can, may, extra, more. Before the subject. Cái anh vôពាក្យទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងមកដាក់ពីមុខណាប្រធានទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងបានដូចជាពាក្យខ្លះ is, have, will, can ណា example is Mark living, have they gone, will they wins, can you sing. You can look for auxiliary verb more in unit 17, but teacher have more time to explain all of you, so we have to move next. And everyone please check yourself. Okay. The third point in the point 2. Okay, with the present simple, look at here. Present simple verb, we put the form of do or does before the subject. គេយក do does យកមកប្រើនៅក្នុងទម្រង់ present simple នៅពេលដែលយើងបង្កើតជា negative and question. You see? ទៅទេអានេះក៏បានដែរគេប្រើ to be នេះនៅក្នុង present simple បានដូចគ្នាប៉ុន្តែ to be នេះដើរតួជា oxy ដូច do ហើយ does ចឹងឃើញវាដើរបានដូចគ្នាទេណា we use the same way. Okay តា do plus subject plus verb or objective អីខាងក្រោយយ៉ាងទៀតមក does she work in Paris តានាងធ្វើការនៅទីក្រុងប៉ារីស do they live in New York តាគាត់រស់នៅទីក្រុង New York. Do you play tennis តាអ្នកឯងលេង tennis អត់ Does he like ice cream? I cho chất cream on. Do you like ice cream? Sing how? Next point. Note. Nah, you see note? Note is when you say, does she plays tennis? Does she plays tennis? មូលហេតុឯងបានគេគូសឆ្នោតកន្លែងនេះគឺគេអត់យកទេយកនេះ What's wrong? That's me. What's wrong about this sentence? គឺ does she play អញ្ចឹងកន្លែង she ឲ្យប្រើជាមួយនឹងកិរិយា verb play នេះគឺយើងអត់មាន s ទេនេះណាមើលឲ្យតាន់គឺយើងអត់បន្ថែម s ទេដោយសារតែនៅក្នុង question sentence ឬក៏ negative sentence we no need use with the third person singular she he ឬក៏ it no need to add s ហើយយើងអត់បន្ថែម s ទេនៅក្នុងទម្រង់ present simple ណាគឺយើងអត់មានបន្ថែម s ទេចំណុចទី4នៅក្នុងចំណុចទី2 the fourth point in the second main point is with past simple verb នេះអានេះគេប្រើតាក់ទងទៅនឹង past simple វិញហើយចាំទាំងអស់គ្នា past simple អីគេតែចាំថា past simple គឺគេប្រើ verb to ឯង subject ផ្លាស់អីគេ subject ផ្លាស់អី verb to plus objective ណាយើងស្គាល់ហើយប៉ុណ្ណឹងអញ្ចឹង verb to ហើយនៅក្នុងហ្នឹងគេតែងតែប្រើ do does នៅក្នុង positive នៅក្នុង negative and question right here we use do does in the negative and question you see អញ្ចឹងbefore we put the auxiliary verb did before the subject it become a question sentence you see in here did she visit Paris did he go to Spain អញ្ចឹងនៅពេលដែលគេយក did យកមកប្រើនៅក្នុងប្រយោគហ្នឹងទម្រង់កណ្ដាលនៃកិរិយាសព្ទ verb to នេះអានេះពីមុន verb to គឺ visited go ទៅ when ណាគេប្រើ verb to នេះបងណាប៉ុន្តែនៅពេលដែលគេប្រើ did នៅក្នុងប្រយោគហ្នឹងទៅជាទម្រង់សំណួរ did she visit យើង no need to use verb to we use verb 1 វិញគេប្រើតែទម្រង់ទី1ទេណា verb 1កិរិយាសព្ទទី1វិញបងគេប្រើកិរិយាសព្ទទម្រង់ទី1វិញណា we use the verb 1 because we use did replace of the verb to already. Did it mean that past tense? When we talk about did, we talk about past simple. You have to remember. ទាំងអស់គ្នាត្រូវចាំណានៅពេលដែលគេប្រើ did គឺដឹងថា past simple ហើយតោះ point 3 here are all the form of do or do the question នេះគឺជាទម្រង់មួយចំនួនដែលតាក់ទងទៅនឹងការប្រើប្រាស់ប្រយោគសំណួរ do you we they work does he she it នេះគឺរបៀបបែងចែកការប្រើប្រាស់ do ហើយនឹង does you see do យើងប្រើប្រាស់ជាមួយនឹង I you we they ណា work does យើងប្រើជាមួយនឹង he she it work ដូចគ្នាណាតោះចុះ past tense គេប្រើមិនអញ្ចឹងមេរៀនថ្ងៃហ្នឹងត្រូវចាំថា take នៅក្នុង yes no question របស់យើង focus តែពីរទេគឺអីគេទី1គឺ present simple ទី2គឺអី past simple ចាំពីជឿនឹងសួរនៅថ្ងៃសប្តាហ៍ក្រោយ I will ask you at the next week present simple the form of yes no question is do plus subject plus verb ណា plus verb or plus objective អញ្ចឹងទៅ subject កន្លែងនេះគេប្រើ did វិញ past tense ដោយសារជា past tense អតីតកាលយើងអាចថាអតីតកាលធម្មតានេះបច្ចុប្បន្នកាលធម្មតាយើងប្រើ did ពីមុខ subject អញ្ចឹង subject did នេះប្រើ all we can use all the subject you see work តោះ any question everyone
No, sir.
right you understand right
Yes.
Lida
Yes, teacher.
do you have any question
No.
are you sure
Yes.
everyone have you already complete the lesson about did you copy the lesson and complete the exercise or not yet
It's a site almost finished, sir.
okay Lida are you ready about your exercise Sing Hao hello Sing Hao
Already, sir.
okay that's me and what the next are you ready with your exercise
Yes.
okay let's go move to exercise directly because we waste our time practice A yesterday you have already complete right but teacher want to complete again to make all of you to see it together but teacher complete for all of you number 1A practice A make yes no question from those sentence អានេះគឺគេឲ្យមកជា simple sentence ប្រយោគធម្មតាគេឲ្យយើង make the yes no question ប្រយោគ number 0 នេះ you are learning language right អញ្ចឹងគេប្រើ you learning language អញ្ចឹងយើងប្រើជាទម្រង់សំណួរយើងធ្វើម៉េចយើងយក to be នេះយកទៅដាក់ពីមុខវិញទើបវាទៅជាទម្រង់សំណួរឃើញនៅក្នុងមេរៀនយើងមិញទេតោះអញ្ចឹងទី1ឥឡូវយើងធ្វើម៉េចអានេះគេមាន
Your is
យក to be ដែរណាអញ្ចឹងយើងយក to be ទៅដាក់ពីមុខវាដូចគ្នាណា is she
thirsty?
okay is she thirsty តើនាងកំពុងតែស្រេកទឹកនាងស្រេកទឹកឬអានេះជាទម្រង់ present simple ណា can swim well តើកន្លែងនេះយើងប្រើអី
Can he swim well?
can he swim well បើសិនមិញខ្ញុំដាក់ do ឬក៏ដាស់ក៏បានដែរបានដូចគ្នាណាយើងអាចប្រើបានដូចគ្នាដោយសារជាទម្រង់ present simple យើងអាចប្រើបានតែយើងមិនអាចយកអា model oxy 2យកមកដាក់ជាន់គ្នាបានទេយើងប្រើបានមួយណា can he next one complete question mark ប្រយោគមួយដែលមាន question mark ស្មើខុសទាំងអស់តោះ number 3 were ជា to be ណា were Lida you got what I mean do you understand about this exercise
Yes, teacher.
okay compare your answer Were they Thai? After the match. Question mark. Next one. Will she return to Mexico? Sorry.
May I live now?
Okay,
May I live now?
Ta kiếm trình ba nó lời nè. Này capital letter đó. They have all left. They all left. Chẳng left cái này chỉ verb one nó verb two.
Thu chờ thu.
Chẳng những đâu với thời mà verb one với mình này. Mà bị cái living thời ấy. Ra cái đạo verb thú chẳng đồ màu verb one mình chẳng lại như verb thú dân thời đại kì nhưng mưa làm với nhau ví dụ nó ai trả lóm bởi cái admin per chỉ past tense là nó ngặt ấy tế tại bởi cái per chỉ past tense là nó ai không nhớ đừng đặt đôi kia mà have để làm để xa cái per model oxy sẽ vậy chân như là ai had AD nè dùng mà mưa trong cái number 7 này cái number 7
Shall we wait a little longer?
Shall nó những bọn thằng mấy shall hay will bọn thằng mấy nừng nè
Nừng
những bọn thằng nừng dương nâng rong trăm bằng tịch tiệt nè dạ về tịch tiệt move to number 2. Now make a question from those sentence. Start your question with do, does or did. Nè, này cái ao dương pra chỉ mùi tùm rung do, rồi có does, rồi có did. Nè, chỉ tùm rung present simple nâng, này ghế. Tùm rung rồi bao hay ghế. Past tense nè. Tỏ là dương tùm mưa tùm ngọt đi mới. Nâng ghi bà can mà ý mấy tỏ. Lida. Hello, Lida. Number 1. You listen to the radio. Chẳng nó không nói chia tùm rung present simple lại để sao listen cái này cái pra verb form mà chẳng như mưa mất. Nhưng phải do được cái does tại bởi cả chiaประโยค này chẳng là subject chia you nhưng pra chỉ mũi do đấy. Ok ta number 1. They work in London. Work dương mưa ta past tense được cái present dương mưa cái lại nè. Dương mưa cái lại verb nè cái giả sạp này chỉ verb one được cái verb two. Bởi chỉ verb one cứ biết đang là present này, verb two đang là past tense nhưng pra đi nè. Dương do được cái ta hay nhưng ta verb present. Chẳng lại ní subject đấy nhưng pra ghế do thôi ấy.
Yes.
Do ấy.
Do they work in London?
Work in
London.
Do they work in London? Double check your answer, everyone, and please answer your question. Answer the question now. Sinh Hao, number 2. anh chỉ present rồi có chỉ past tense chỉ present right là sao verb is a verb one nhưng phải để sao mơ subject bây giờ những đăng verb hay những mơ subject C nhưng ra chúng ấy does sinh háo hay nó sinh háo
Yes, sir. Does she visit her uncle?
visit with s or not visit
No, sir.
yeah because subject when to make the question no need to change with the first person singular right her uncle right next one press mấy began
Yes, sir.
ấy
Begin.
began mau bị begin chẳng chiều verb thu thời ấy
Verb 3.
Yes, sir.
đi began đó sorry verb thu began not began verb thu chẳng như thế mấy chẳng như phải đi thời
Yes.
did we began nhưng change mãi cái vĩnh
Begin.
yes begin vĩnh nhé khi change mà begin vĩnh begin the course in March chẳng dương chập đam một chia rồi có mê riêng bảo dưỡng nơi ấy kế nơi khai March nâng the last already right does your answer is right or wrong everyone you can compare
Right.
okay teacher move to the next slide okay see one more exercise number 4 car goes very fast her car goes very fast sorry what is the answer
Does her car go very fast?
sure rẽ mấy đi ăn lư sao chừng rồi rẽ mấy
Yes, sir.
goes កន្លែងនេះគឺ time es អញ្ចឹងទៅពេលយើងប្រើទៅជា question យើង time អីអត់អត់ទេយើង very fast យើងអត់ time ទេដោយសារវាទៅជាទម្រង់ដើមទាំងអស់នៅពេលដែលទៅជា simple sentence ណា come on number 5 that's mấy
Did you buy a new table?
did right nãy tranh châu là hốt chẳng qua tận nào okay already this one okay point C you can look at point C you have met Jane and an English girl in Paris dương ban chụp Jane you have meet Jane dương ban chụpជាមួយនឹង Mr. Jane ហើយនឹងmộtស្រីរបស់គាត់ជាជនជាតិអង់គ្លេស in Paris នៅទីក្រុងបារាំង and use the word in the bracket យើងប្រើពាក្យនៅក្នុងវងកញ្ចក់ហ្នឹង to ask her some question her answer are on the right they will help you to choose the right tenses for your question okay example look at here like it here so how do you write this one like it here example okay do you like it here the answer of Jen yes I do are you studying French studying French are you studying French the answer is Yes, I am. You see? Number 1. Lida. Okay, the last 10 minutes, come on. We have a short time.
Number 1, do like.
Do like, right? Like friend music. Là dân cụ đã đại. Do you like friend do you like friend again music តើអ្នកទាំងអស់តើចង់សួរទៅកាន់ Jenny តើ Jenny ក៏ចូលចិត្តចម្រៀងរបស់ភាសាបារាំងនឹងអត់តោះ number 2 រស្មី come on faster
Number 2, are you studying in the
everyone listen
hundred?
រស្មី listen យើងមើល answer របស់គេតើ answer របស់គេ do ឬក៏គេប្រើ verb to be យើងមើលទៅ answer របស់គេជាធម្មតាសំណួរទូទៅ ask normally a question when they ask you about verb to be you have to answer about verb to be you ask they ask about do or does or did we have to answer about did do or does you see អញ្ចឹងមើល answer របស់គេអីគេ answer របស់គេ
Are you studying in the central?
ដោយសារតែ verb to be របស់គេគឺគេប្រើនៅខាងចុង answer របស់គេអញ្ចឹងយើងត្រូវប្រើជាមួយនឹង verb to be ដែរតោះណា Are you studying
Are you studying in the central?
in the center តាមពិតពាក្យ century ហើយនិង center គឺដូចគ្នាណាប៉ុន្តែគ្រាន់តែមួយគេប្រើតាម UK មួយតាម US វាខុសគ្នាបន្តិច You see តោះ the next oneតោះ the next one come by plan អញ្ចឹងកលេចទៅមើលចម្លើយរបស់គេប្រើ did ណែ answer របស់គេ did អញ្ចឹងយើង easy to understand right ពីដា
Teacher.
គេប្រើ did នៅខាងក្រោយនេះចម្លើយរបស់គេអញ្ចឹងយើងត្រូវធ្វើម៉េចឡើយហ្នឹង cam នេះគឺជា verb to នេះ cam
Did.
អានេះ cam verb 1 verb 2 cam verb 1ទេ did ណា did អី
Did you come?
Did you come by plan តើអ្នកឯងធ្វើដំណើរមកដោយយើឧទ្ធម្ភាគចក្រឬក៏យន្តហោះឬក៏ដើរមកឌីដាតោះ number 4 sing how តោះយើងសល់ពេលតិចឥឡូវឈើទៅសេយោមក number 4 គេ Have you got a flat you know flat ហ្នឹងយើងបកថាផ្ទះល្វែងប្រភេទផ្ទះល្វែងស្គាល់ផ្ទះល្វែងបរិយាយើងនឹងវាច្រើនគេធ្វើផ្ទះល្វែងតោះ number 5 Are you working in Paris តើអ្នកឯងធ្វើការបាននឹងកំពុងធ្វើការនៅទីក្រុងប៉ារីសឬអានេះគឺជាទម្រង់ present continuous ណា present continuous ដោយសារមាន subject មាន to be មាន verb ing នេះគេប្រើបានសិតតែប្រើបានតោះ number 6 គេឲ្យប្រើគេចម្លើយរបស់គេមើលចម្លើយរបស់គេឆ្លើយមកគឺ have ណាចម្លើយរបស់គេគឺ have ឃើញអត់ចម្លើយរបស់គេប្រើ have អញ្ចឹងយើងដាក់អីគេ oxy របស់យើងគឺ have អី have you អីគេ we visited អានេះជា past ជាទម្រង់របស់ present perfect ហើយ have you visited the museum ដែលអ្នកឯងធ្លាប់បានទៅលេងនៅសហមន្ទីរអរេចុះ the next one find your flat easily អញ្ចឹងមើលចម្លើយរបស់គេ no I didn't អញ្ចឹងចម្លើយយើងត្រូវសួរអីគេ did ដែរណា did អី you find
your flat easily.
Next question, the last one. Chấm lại bằng cái do nè, yes I do. Chắc dương phải ấy do đài nè. Do you like friend food? Do you like friend food? Chop. Compare your answer with this one. That's your answer right or wrong. Sing how, Lida?
Yes, teacher.
That's your
Yes,
answer
sir.
right or wrong?
It's right, sir.
Right, sir.
Move to the next slide. Teacher, move this answer. Okay, let's go. D. Okay, point D. Do you see this one? Okay, one. You want to study English in London. You telephone a language school. You ask a question. Put the word in the bracket in the right order and make a question. Yeah, cái you read chom đó. Cái you rearrange the sentence. Put the word in each other in order, right? Oh, come on. ការយើងរៀបប្រយោគដោយដាក់ប្រកាសជាទម្រង់សំណួរនៅក្នុងសំណួរខ្លះៗដែលតកតទៅនឹងសំណួរដែលយើងទៅរៀននៅទីក្រុង London ហ្នឹងតោះ Number 1 គេឲ្យមក of London is near the center of school ណាអាហ្នឹងគេប្រើអីនេះយើងរៀបមកតោះអញ្ចឹងគេរៀបមកគឺ is the school near the center of London តោះ this one do គេឲ្យយើងមក do យើងដាក់ do មុននេះដាក់ do you see do way.
Do the teacher.
Do the teacher give homework.
Do the teacher give
Homework.
Give homework, yes, of course, good. គាត់សួរថាលោកគ្រូតើលោកគ្រូនៅហ្នឹងគេដាក់ homework អត់ Yeah, of course, they will put it for us. Okay, see how? As every day the teacher have homework for our school, right? You see? So, next one. យើងអស់ម៉ោងហើយអូសល់1នាទីចុងក្រោយអត់ទាន់ទេ The last minute, so we cannot end our point D. So, this one, point 1. Number 2 the class small right ហើយ okay តោះ number 3 ចប់ហើយចប់